This Argos Support video will demonstrate how to remove, clean and refit your Hoover vacuum cleaner's filter to ensure your product runs efficiently. Not cleaning the filter regularly is often the cause of problems with your machine. Wash the filters under running water, remove any excess, and leave to dry for at least 24 hours. Ensure the filters are completely dry before refitting into the vacuum cleaner. Following these simple steps on a monthly basis will help to prolong the life of your machine. For further assistance, please contact www.argos-support.co.uk.